Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on a, I'm going to do, not sure if I'll do a 4 or 5 cup flip. We might do 4 because these are quite big cups, but it's all leftover paints that I've had from this week. So they may be absolutely disgusting or they may be pretty good, but I'm going to do a big flip and lip. So this is a 40 by 50 canvas. I've got a lot of glitter around here because I've just been finishing off a big, a real blingy thing. You may have seen it already. I may have put it up. I'm not sure yet if I'll go up before this one. Finishing off my coffee. So this is going to be all basically leftover paints. I'll just explain the colours as we go. So I'll put that back and fill the colour cups up here so they don't tip them over. So yeah, it is definitely leftover colours. So I've got a navy. They've all got different pouring mediums in. So if I tried to, if this comes out absolutely superb, I'd have to go through all the past videos this week because I know some of them have just got my clear PVA, some have got the acrylic Mont acrylic flow medium that I was trying, and some have got spots of this acrylic gloss medium. So if it come out absolutely unbelievable, I'd be backtracking trying to find the the ingredients and the the exact ingredients of this particular pour. What will be underneath this video in the description box will be my normal pouring medium, but be aware that this wasn't normal because these are all leftover paints with different pouring mediums in. So it will be hard work if it's something brilliant turns out of it. I'll have to go back through and check them all out. But anyway, those are the joys of acrylic pouring. So this is it was the turquoise, and I added some of, I think, cerulean blue at the time. The one I've just put in was my homemade navy, which is phthalo blue, a blob of black, and what else was it? Oh, and a squirt of the sap green, like a dark green colour. Now this is, I made this up out of the purple and silver, so it's like a metallic silver. Yeah, I think so. Oh, so it is a surprise, a big surprise. So I'm gonna flip and lip the cups. I'm not going to just do a normal flip cup with these. Well, that's the plan, but as you know, with my work, it can all change, and that's what is the beauty of this particular art. Just go with the flow, pour your heart out. That's it. So this was, I can't remember, one of the pinks, one of the new pinks. I think it was just called pink, from the Mont Studio Acrylics. So there you go. Might have some weird and wonderful effects because it's got all different pouring mediums in, or it may be a disaster, turn into a big blob, because they're quite thin, some of the paints, and some are quite thick. So just bear with me, guys, just bear with me. There's probably some colours that I'm not going to put in, even though I have them left now. That looks quite black, so I might put a little bit of black in. I don't want to put too much. Don't normally do just jet black. Even if I make up black, I add some of the dark blue. It sort of even makes it like more truer black, believe it or not. I'm not going to add, I have got some brown and green, and I'm not going to add that. Just one little last bit of, I think it was white and gold. I just add it in a couple of the cups, go in there, get rid of it. So it's going to be a definite, ooh, I've got so many colours. Okay, this might be a right dog's breakfast. This was, I think it was the orange with silver, and it's kind of made like a metallic kind of mustardy colour. Might not be real good with this, but you know, in for a penny, in for a pound. We just go with it. I hope you guys are all coping well. I hope you're keeping yourself occupied, doing some things that you love, getting out in fresh air. If it's for a walk, I think most places can do that. If you're going for exercise, I think you're allowed to do that in most places. I'm not sure in the whole world what's going on. I'm gonna go, but yeah, you really need to keep yourself, even after all this time, we sort of still really need to think about our mental health and keeping on top of it, because I mean, I consider myself living in God's garden. It's just spectacular on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland where we live, but there are days where I have a strong feeling come over me of, I don't know, kind of panic, and that's just not me. So it's, I think, you know, everybody's the same, everybody's in the same boat, everybody's feeling these different feelings. It's not nice thing going on in the world at the minute. But we have just got to all do our best to get through it, for sure. I want to thank you guys so much for the positive comments and encouragement that you give me to continue doing this and sticking with you all, and you give me some really fantastic feedback, and I'm so grateful. So thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Really do appreciate it. Keep up the good work, guys. Thank you. So, I've got some white. I've got brown and green, but I am not going to add those. I've just got some white left over. I don't know what the pouring medium was, cannot remember. I'll just put it in. Got rid of all those colours. That's it. All in for the wash. So they're not all full cups, so I'm really hoping. Have I got any white made up? Oh, if I haven't got enough, but I hope so. So. Actually, I better pull this away from I've got my blingy painting back there. I don't want to get all these colours splashing over that because it's all real blingy silvers and I don't want any other colours in there. Okay, let's do this. So one here. Oh, that's not good to change your mind in the middle of a... I'll do that one there, and then I'll do this one here. I'm just worried that I'm not going to have enough paint. I think I've got some turquoise made up here. I might even use this last bit of turquoise. This was a turquoise with Floetrol, so I'm not sure I use that for, but I've got it, so I might just pour it over my edges so as I don't worry anyway. It's only paint in the end, but you'd like to think that you've put the time in to hopefully make something that's, you know, pretty nice. Actually, I might use that to, if that's got a bit of Floetrol in it, to flip over, so to sort of what do you call it, swipe over the other colours. It might create some really cool lacing. That's really using my dregs of everything today. So okay, let's do this thing. Dark. Oh, it's gonna be a darkie. It's still gonna be. Oh, come on down this way, baby. Come on down. Okay, I want to flip and lip. I want to put some lip through this. I don't want it to all go all its uniform way. I want it to have a bit of character. So it is looking dark and moody, but you know, that's all right. All good. All the cups are pretty empty. It's a shock. So you flip and lip. I think it was a name that Karen Durnish, lovely Karen, started calling it when she did this, the lip of the cup through the paint, a flip and lip. So just do it any way which you feel your creative juices leading you to. Wow, the cup inside the cups looks good. So just gonna try one little thing, just swiping a little bit of that little bit of the turquoise over, just to see what we get, because the turquoise had the Floetrol in it, so I'm thinking it might create some cool lacing. Don't know about that, but just got to try it, haven't you? Maybe go over the top of the Floetrol. The Floetrol turquoise. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to tilt it gently around. Wow, that's created some awesome effects in there. Wowzers, trousers. Flip and lip. I think I love you. Oh, I like this here. Well, I'm going to end up losing a bit of it if I take it down. So happy that I added that turquoise actually, because it's broken it up a bit from the, could have been quite too dark. Again, someone says never too dark, it's always too dark or too light. It's never too dark or too light. It's the way it's leading itself to be. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this. Pretty amazing. There was me thinking I wouldn't have enough paint, and there's actually plenty. Plenty. I come from the land of plenty. Landa. Wow, wowee. This is like shimmering, and it's creating all sorts of crazy cool effects. That is, in Julie's words, a stunner. Wow. Look at that. I don't want to take that anywhere else. I want that to just do its thing. Just run your fingers underneath and finger pop your corners or any edges that you don't feel have got enough paint on. Just use your runoff. Absolutely fine. It still gives a nice effect. Oh, look at this. It almost looks like fur there. And then this is just, oh, it's a stunner. It's a stunner. Winner, chicken dinner. All right, I'm going to get my, just going to go over gently with the heat wand. Wand. Quite a few people have been asking me where I'm getting the Wonder Wand from, and it's of course from Capriole Shabby Chic. They have all the cool stuff here in Australia, and it's all online. So you can order it from the comfort of your own home, and it's delivered to your door. So all good. Look at this. Wow. That is really cool. Oh, I don't want to have too many cells popping up. It might look really cool because they kind of look like they're floating, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that's leftovers for you. That's pretty good. Let me know what you think. Looks a bit dark in this camera, but yeah, it's not as dark as that as I'm looking over the camera at it. It's got quite cool effects. So a flip and lip and a big one. But yeah, if you're not into the dark colours, obviously it won't be for you, but there are so many people that are, so all good in the world. So until next time, guys, bye for now. I haven't got a joke for you. I cannot think. So if I think of one, I will add it to the end of this particular video. Just had a really busy day today and my head's gone blank. Okay, thanks for joining me. Give me a comment, let me know what you think, if you think there's anything yeah, any constructive criticism, I'm in for that. So until next time, bye for now.